Hello, Jen. My name is Jose, and you had reached out to us on Facebook about 2 or 3 weeks ago for a video on to audit your website. And so we're going to go ahead and give you some free tips today on why you are not getting any clients through your website. Okay, so this is completely free, and you can implement this onto your website yourself. So let's not waste any more time and get right to it. Number one, Jen, is that you need more content. Okay, the search engines love content, and by content I mean your words and your pictures. As you can see, everything that is highlighted here is what Google reads when they crawl your website. So if I save this image, as you can see, it's saved under this, but that doesn't help you at all. So what you want to do is save it as a keyword. And by a keyword, I mean the words that people type into Google when they're looking for your services. That's a keyword. So they're going to type in cleaning service, Boxborough, Massachusetts. That's what you want to save it under. So when Google crawls it, it reads cleaning service, Boxborough, Massachusetts, and so it starts ranking you towards the front and the first page. So I suggest you get about 1,000 words and get a lot of keywords, okay? I'm about to show you some examples. I pulled up some of your competitors here, and so let's go ahead and look at the back end of those. This is the back end of your website. You're not being found for any words, okay? So that's why you're not getting any people through your website unless they're following a link through your Facebook or something like that. So this is them, 1,000 keywords that they're being found for. This guy's only being found for one, so but they're getting power from their big company, from their franchise, I guess. Let's look at these guys. See their keywords? Just to give you an idea, biohazard team, let's see. You want to have keywords with location specified words. Carpet cleaning. See, if they don't have a location, then they're national words. So they have a lot of useless ones. Carpet cleaning, Lexington, Massachusetts. They're in the sixth position, so that's still the first page on Google. They're still gonna get some jobs from that. Let's see, carpet cleaning, Chelmsford, Massachusetts, 20 searches a month, seventh position. So they have thousands of words, but they're not ranking for any good ones, any good helpful ones. So you can still you can still beat these guys. Cleaning service, Brighton, Massachusetts, 20 searches a month, 10th position. So they're about to go to their second page with these words. Handyman Cambridge, 30 searches a month. They're in the second page now, so they're not going to be found for these. Dry cleaner, Franklin, Massachusetts, 50 searches a month, second page. So as you can see, you get an idea of the keywords that people are typing into Google and why you want them on your website. Okay, so you're not being found for any keywords. So you want to have keywords on your website. And then here's the backlinks. The backlinks is what gives you power to your websites. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. So you want your backlinks on powerful websites because if they're powerful, then they're going to pass some of their power onto yours, bringing your scores up. This right here is the strength of your front page, and this is the strength of your overall website. And you only have 4 backlinks. Um, so you want to go for high quality backlinks. If you have your backlinks on weak websites, then it's going to pull your scores down here. So the third tip I want to give you is the map pack. How to get on the map pack and dominate on the map pack. You want to find out how many citations your competitors have and get about 20 or 30 more than them. What a citation is whenever your business name, phone number, and address is listed on an online directory like Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, uh, and those, and you want to have 20 or 30 more than them. That way you can start outranking them on here. So those are the 3 major tips that will really help you beat out your competition there locally. You want to get number one, about 1,000 words on your front page, full of keywords. Number two, um, get some backlinks, high-powered, high-quality backlinks. And number three, get citations for the map pack here. Okay, if you guys got any questions, you can feel free to contact me at 806-268-7118. My name is Jose, and again, my number is 806-268-7118.